What's up, everybody? It's Hey Jon, jabbering opportunities nonstop, and today I'm gonna cover AMC and Dogecoin. Gonna do the follow-up videos right now to see what's going on. Time to follow up and see what is going on with our beloved Dogecoin and AMC. Well, let's go and see here. AMC here. Let's see. How did AMC fare today? Let's see. Alrighty then. Okay, zooming in so I can get a better looky-loo. Give me a moment because that's the way it works. All right. Okay, let's see. Oops. Too many wires. There you go. Alrighty then, let's see here. Okay, I'll leave it there, it's fine. There you go. Alright, let's see. Okay, so AMC today, the opening, right? Let's see, AMC opened at 61.26. The high was 64.96 and the low is 56.85. I'm sorry, 56.85. So we saw quite a bit of a range here for AMC, right? About, I would say, an $8 range. $8 range for AMC. I told you guys yesterday that probably AMC will probably close down today because, as you know, it's going to be a weekend and there are tons of people day trading AMC, and if they're day trading it, they probably don't want to hold on to their coins. I'm sorry, their stock over the weekend if they are day trading it because they don't know what money is going to bring. We either break up, break down, or trade sideways. They don't know and they don't want to risk it. So day traders in the stock market usually liquidate their position by the end of the day. So in my opinion, that's kind of why we saw AMC pull back some. But overall, though, I would say it's still pretty bullish for AMC regardless, though. Okay. So this morning I was saying, hey, you know what? If AMC can break above 63.88 and continue it up, right, with some confirmation, then yes, the AMC bulls can see 67.21 getting tested. However, well, as you know, that didn't happen. So what can you say, right? What can you say? You win some, you lose some. All right, so on the 4 here, right, you can see right here, it dipped down real quick and it got bought up almost instantly. So from 56.89 all the way up to about, I would say $60 right there for the most part. It got bought up there. Basically that $3 price range, it got bought up real quick. So this tells me some folks believe into it and they want to possibly swing trade it into the Monday. So we always have different perspectives here, right? Some folks want to swing over the weekend and some folks don't. It just depends on where you land in the spectrum of riskiness. But if it were me, though, I wouldn't be holding over the weekend if I'm day trading AMC because it's very volatile. And honestly, you never know what's going to happen, right? Because this weekend here, we could see a news drop over the weekend for AMC and it could be bearish or it can be bullish. And if you're a day trader, you can either get caught with your pants down or you can ride the wave to the moon. It just depends, but most prudent day traders, they would not do it. Most prudent day traders don't do that though because they know the risk and it's just not worth it. All right, let's go ahead and go to the hourly here to get a better viewsies, right? Let's go to the hourly here to get a better view to see how it looks. Okay, let's go ahead to hourly. Oops, 1 hour. Okay, so you can see here it's kind of evident right here, right? We sold off from the morning open. It sold off for 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 hours. It sold off until the market opened until about 11 a.m. Okay, and then at noontime, when it hit its final sell-off point, people start to buy it. So to me, that looks like a great opportunity for the AMC bulls. They're showing some strength instead of pulling back here. Now, if you look at it from an hourly perspective here, this is actually quite bullish here because we're seeing higher lows being formed, right? And then we saw a double top. We didn't see a higher high necessarily. We pretty much saw a double top there. But if you look at it from I guess from an hourly perspective here, you're seeing you are seeing an ascending triangle, and usually ascending triangles are bearish in nature. But since this is AMC and we have the momentum trade going currently, I believe there's more reasons for us to be bullish than bearish. Okay. So I suspect on Monday open, we will probably gap up and continue the day and continue rising. That's kind of what that's pretty much what I'm predicting for the most part. But the bearish perspective is that we closed below 60.58, right? Which was I would say a decent resistance or support depending on where you're standing at, but currently it's turning into a resistance. Okay. But the bullish perspective here is that we're seeing a higher low form, so that's fantastic news here. But don't forget, it's an ascending triangle, so it's a little sketchy right now. There isn't a clear pattern yet. Well, I take that back. There is a clear pattern. AMC is currently going to the moon, but what I'm referring to by clear pattern is that a clear technical pattern in terms of whether it's a ascending triangle, descending triangle, head and shoulders, etc. All right. So now let's go ahead and cover Dogecoin, baby, and see what's Dogecoin doing. All right. So we covered AMC, so you probably know what it's gonna do tomorrow. Well, by tomorrow I mean Monday. Let's cover Dogecoin now and see what's popping. All right. Dogecoin is my first love, and my God, Dogecoin is turning into a huge disappointment. I wonder if I should annul this marriage with Dogecoin. No, I'm just kidding. I would never do that. I love Dogecoin too much to ever annul my marriage with Dogecoin. If anything, I want to re-propose to Dogecoin, and I want to renew my vows to Dogecoin. If anything, I want to show my commitment to Dogecoin. Okay. All right, so let's go. Let's check it out. Okay, so yesterday's range for Dogecoin was about 273 all the way up to 321. So we saw about a 4.8 cent range. That is quite a bit, you know. That's a pretty big range for Dogecoin, to be honest, because usually it's been trading about 2-3 cents here. So we saw about a 4.8 cent range. I mean, that's pretty cool. I like that. That means that we're starting to see some volatility, and when you see some volatility, that's usually the beginning signs of possible day traders coming back into the trade here. So that's good. When you see day traders coming into anything you buying, stocks or cryptocurrencies, that means they're creating liquidity, and they will start creating more volatility. And when you get more volatility, well, you get more attention, and when you get more attention, you get more people buying and selling it. And that's good. And that's good because we need more attention on Dogecoin. All right. But currently, as you know, AMC is the meme love, and well, it is what it is. It'll blow over eventually when AMC peaks and it starts pulling back. I suspect people will come back to Dogecoin and revisit it. But for now, all eyes are on AMC, and they are the new Dogecoin currently. That shouldn't be too much of a surprise, to be honest, though. It really shouldn't be, though. And I honestly wouldn't be too concerned either, to be honest. And that's pretty much why I haven't sold one Dogecoin. And I do not plan on selling any Dogecoin either. If anything, I would say these are dip buying opportunities. But I know I sound like a broken record. But again, I've already told you guys my trading strategy. I buy red days, I sell green days. Well, in the case of Dogecoin, I don't sell at all. I just buy red days only. And the thing is that as long as Dogecoin is here and it continues to be shown on CNBC or CNN or whatever news outlet, to me, I still believe in Dogecoin. Okay, until I see the day Elon Musk bash Dogecoin, well, I will not be leaving Dogecoin. It is just that simple. But if Elon Musk bashes Doge, however, if Elon Musk ever bashes Dogecoin, I am gone so quick. I'm just being real with you guys, okay? So, and if I were you, if you see Elon Musk bashing, and of course, you know, I don't give financial advice, but I'm saying though, if you ever see Elon Musk bash Dogecoin, I would suggest that you research that thing there and leave. Okay, by research I mean leave. But of course it's purely up to you though, okay, purely up to you. I'm just sharing with you guys my opinions here of what could potentially happen, and nobody knows currently what can happen, man. It is the Wild West after all. But I truly believe though, if you're a long-term Dogecoin hodler and you believe in a Dogecoin, you will be rewarded. It's only a matter of when, not if. It's a matter of when and not if. All right. Let's see here. So let's go. So currently the Agora ribbon is currently at about 24/7. So it's moving up about another 2 points. Let's go ahead and check the 4-hour chart now. Okay, the 4-hour time frame. Okay. All right, it pulled back, it dipped, and now we're trending back up towards the downward trend line. So I would say if you're a day trader around 2946, I would say it's probably time to let go of your positions. Of course, I don't give financial advice. That is just what I would be doing if I were day trading Dogecoin. And however though, I'm not day trading Dogecoin. I'm just giving out these trades for folks who want to possibly day trade. But as you know, as Dogecoin currently has a very narrow trading range, minus yesterday, it actually had a quite a big range there. So watch out for it though. But I believe the reason why we saw a spike today, well, yesterday really, because as you know, 5 p.m. You see a new daily candlestick for Dogecoin. The reason why I believe we're seeing some volatility is because people are buying and selling into the weekend, because as you know, Dogecoin is going to be on a NASCAR car race here. So again, I believe that if Dogecoin can get into the what was I saying? I had a brain fart. Oh yeah, here you go. Yes, if Dogecoin over the weekend, right, and the NASCAR car can get into a top 5 or top 3 or top 10 or whatever and get some traction and become a winner, well, people always like to buy the winners, and they like to sell the losers. So what I mean by that, if we see the Dogecoin NASCAR car go up into the top 3 or top 5, I believe we could possibly see a Dogecoin pump. However, on the flip side, if we see the NASCAR car with Dogecoin on it, all over the pictures here, right, and they are on a bottom, then I suspect that we could possibly see a Dogecoin flash crash, and people will sell it off because it's showing some weakness, right? And as you know, again, I want to re-emphasize, people buy winners and people sell losers. It's just that simple. So again, that's kind of the reason why I believe we saw a quick a little flash bounce today. And let's see what else I see on a 4-hour perspective though. Okay, and now I'm seeing 3289. I would say 3289 is turning into a strong 3289 is turning into a strong resistance in my opinion, because we tested it many times on many different days and many different time frames, and we keep on tapping it and we keep on getting rejected. So in my opinion, the next time we get to around 3289, that's going to be a very strong resistance, and we will probably get rejected one more time. Just food for thought. I understand that isn't bullish, but we have to be practical and realistic with our investments here. Okay, 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, it's even more evident, right? The last time we saw I would say a decent amount of candlesticks on the downward trend line, we saw a little flash crash, and that's kind of where you saw it go to about 2797 there, and then it started bouncing off it, right? The question is though, if Dogecoin cannot break up into 306 and stay above there, to me, this is gonna be a continued downtrend. All right, again, I wanna make sure I emphasize I am not trying to create FUD or anything. I'm just sharing with you my perspective on what I see on the charts. So it's all data driven, and none of it is emotional to me, okay? I'm just reading data because as you know, the chart is all data. It's all buys and sells, etc. So I'm just interpreting what I see on charts and delivering it to you guys. All right, so again, 3289, watch out for it, okay? Watch out for that. Let's go ahead and go into the 15-minute here to see how it looks. Okay. Alrighty then, so here we go. Okay, on the 15-minute perspective, it's a little surprising because it actually looks a little bullish on the 15-minute perspective. So since the 15-minute is a shorter time frame and it's showing some bullishness, I like it. I actually like the way it looks. Actually, this to me is the beginning of a possible bull trend, and if this can continue for a few more hours and confirm this, well, I would say Dogecoin can have a very good weekend here. And again, the reason why I suspect Dogecoin can finally have a good weekend is because of NASCAR Dogecoin. This to me is a news catalyst, and it could be the catalyst that starts our new bull run. Right? I don't want to sound like someone giving you hopium or anything, or hyping it up, but I'm just saying, based on the 15-minute perspective here, I'm starting to see bullish tendencies unfold right now. But as you know, these charts, these charts are ever evolving. So what I say right now can be invalidated in 12 hours from now, okay? So just be aware of that, all right? Be aware of that. And that's kind of why I make these updates. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, it was tons of fun. I will be giving you, of course, more and more updates, as you know. If you're new, please make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button so YouTube will share this video with more folks, and of course hit that notification bell so when I come live, you will get this information. Take care and stay cool, and I will catch you all on the next one. All right.